They got the fucking chopper, dude. Yo. Yo. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Done with the gym, took a shower. I'm already sweating, geez. I'm going to a car meet. I haven't been to a car meet in so long. This one looks small. I knew they were doing a car meet because I was driving back home, and this guy did a U-turn and he tried to drift through it, but he just spun out. And then I saw they were all meeting at this gas station. So let's go see. They're lined up. There's some cool ass Mustangs in the back too though. They're already racing right now. It's pretty full already in the back. They filled the gas station. I got the Zoomy boy. It's terrible for vlogs. Terrible for vlogging. I'm so sweaty. That was a cop. What? Holy shit. Yeah, bro, he flipped him. He lit him up. Holy fuck. I was like, oh shit. That's so many people.
Get it!
Ooh, they
Still green out.
You're looking at the drones.
Yes, you are. You're gonna have to.
What the fuck?
Yes!
Y'all got a minute?
Not that one, this one.
Everybody bailing already. I guess they saw a cop. Yo, I think they see a cop.
I would say stay here so everyone's leaving.
That is true. I parked in the back so that I'm fine. Yo, I just hope police don't take my footage though. That sucks. Like half this footage is blurry. Yo, I was back gate. So I don't know if they're going to a new meet, but everyone bailed. I'm gonna go see if I can go down the road and see if I can follow. Let's go. It is completely empty. There's no one there now. All right, so I found it. It's in a common place where they race, but I can't reveal where it is. But I found it. They got the fucking chopper, dude. Yo, yo, oh shit. Oh fuck. Yo, oh shit. Oh my god. What the fuck? I'm in my car, but damn, they're still scanning the area. The line is literally on us. Yo, this is terrifying. Yo. Yo, you recording me? Yeah. Yo. Oh shit. It's going. It's going after the cars that left. I fucking dropped my phone. I don't know where I dropped it either. Oh shit. It's good I didn't take off. That's so bad that I dropped it. Oh, is it there? No, I had it here though. This is the last place I had it. Oh, it's dead too, so I can't even call that shit. We're on our way to get my phone. Someone actually picked it up while I was running. All right, here's the new meat. Here's the new meat. Yo,
Bro, you're such a goat, bro.
Holy shit.
Thank
you so much. Oh my god, thank you so much.
Look, hey.
Thank you so
I
much.
was seriously up, someone picked up my shit, and like,
hell
you know,
yeah.
when I call it, someone picked it up and answer, you know?
All right, so we got the phone. Thank God of that kid. Holy shit, both of them. Cause
Harry
was like, kid whose name was
Oliver.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Oliver.
And thank you so much.
Harry.
Oh my god. Oh, he was texting my phone. That's so funny. So
Harry.
it was like, call the phone. I was like, I don't know. It's like on 2%. So he called it, and the guy had it, and he picked up. That's crazy. So the helicopter is now. Where is it? It's at the airport. Wait, shoot. Here, it was at the airport, and then you can see it. It was circling over here. Nothing really happened at this gas station, so I'm just gonna call it a night since everything died off. That was pretty eventful though, so I had fun. I hope you did too. I just got back from the gym again. It's a week later, and I saw a truck speeding down the same street. Like, oh shoot, those are the trucks from last meet. And so there's another meet again. So I don't want to go back home, take a shower, and then like come back with a camera. So I'm just gonna use my phone this time. It's a lot easier. Oh shit, time to go, time to fucking go. Oh shit, they raiding shit. Yo.